supposed to feel right.
Everything's cool.
It's supposed to be cool. Okay, a man stuck curled in the wounds of a woman that she rubbed on her stomach. Tell the world that I'm coming. But all that damn kicking made me change my position. Only 10 months of living and I say my life in the bright lights. Presenting job performing his cesarean. Mother started wondering if she'll ever deliver him. Father started worrying, it's time for stop staring them. Lights get bright and my vision get blurry. Heard loud voices and my emotions got hurried. See my mother smile, turn my head, looked at Sherry. Wait, fast forward, memory tape stop recording. I was young, I wanted Jordans, but I never could afford them. But somehow she bought them, matched the color of my Hoyas. I wanted that devour, that was hard to devour. Was mad for a minute, but I grew with the honor. You only wanted the best, but that's you as my mama. Some things in life we go through, we never know. Me and my mama then went through up and downs. Good time, the bad times the worst. Shit, I guess that's what happens when you're born with a curse. I'm just gonna talk on the rest of the track, let it play out. Some people might relate, some people might not. You know, but no matter what situation I go through with my mother, I always love her to death, because she is my mother. She's the one that carried me for 10 months. She the one that birthed me. Y'all feel the beat crying? This beat is brought to you by Ninth Wonder. I hope it make you wonder. Woo!